now we're good. Let me share my screen. Okay, so this is the page, our admin dashboard of the Ron's More. So let me open. Yeah, this is the website, Ron's More. Yeah, just like simple e-commerce website for WhatsApp. So I just go through, go to the, in here, the admin dashboard. So you just log in to take that app, sign in, then you will go to this admin dashboard, and then you can find the product here. Then you go to all. Then we already added the many products here, but you can also create a new ones. So yeah, that's a lot. So maybe I can create a one. But note that the today's session is focusing on the product and website, and then I will go a little deeper and detail information, and then please ask any question in the comment so I can answer later. So if you enter this website and add product, then you will see that, oh, here's the product information you can add. And it's quite long, but don't worry. Let's say I can add a pizza. This is a product name. And then you can change the visibility, visible, and hidden. Hidden means you can still create a product, but let's say you have a launch schedule. You wanna launch this product next week, not today. Then but you still want to create a product. In that case, you can create a product with hidden visibility. But most of case, you can just go with visible. Then we have a categories. Categories mean the pizza could be your like main category, right? Then you can create a main, and then also you can say that, oh, the pizza is also under like meat. Yeah, why not, right? Like, let's say meat pizza. So you create a one product, but you can add to multiple categories. There's an implication of category, because if you go to the website, then you will see the category here, right? And then once you add to the main or meat, then meaning that that product will be visible under meat and fish section, right? So and then the good thing is you can add to multiple category for one product. Yeah. Okay. Actually, if you have a name and category, you already can save actually. Then if you see, then you will see that there's a category meat, and then main. Then you can see the meat pizza, right? Now, like if you want to go really simple, then you can like go with this actually. Why not, right? But probably you want to add a more information like a pizza, like picture and description and other options as well. Okay, so let me add more. Oh, first thing is that if we didn't have a price, right? Let me add price $14, and then you can also, sorry, we have a two price. One is just original price, and then an actual price. You can do, if you do just 14 only, then what happened is you will see that, oh, just 14, right? But sometimes you want to show off that this one is originally $24, but you want to show that now $12. it's very discounted. In this case, you can use original price. Then let me check. You see here, there's a $24. Sorry, the share tab instead. Oh, yeah, I need to click this one. So if you see here, then you can see that meat pizza $14 for $24 like original price. So if you use the original and just actual price, then you can do this. Yeah, and then I go to the Audemy dashboard, and then we also have a many pricing option actually. It has a display as an estimate price. What this means is sometimes your product price is not static. Sometimes like your pizza today was $14, but tomorrow is $15. Like so like it's very difficult to put one static price. You sometimes you have this issue, right? Or sometimes you're selling fish, but fish price is always changing every day, right? So like you can enable that. Oh, actually, this pizza is around $14, but not very $14, but like around $14. In this case, you can switch on, and then our application will do some different logic. For example, if the price is not like confirmed yet, it means that we shouldn't let our customer pay the money right away, right? It's a big problem if it happens. So if you put this display as an estimate price, and then the customer add to cart, and then they go to the checkout page, then we don't let customer pay the money. We let customer send WhatsApp message to you first, so you guys can make a like confirmation first, and then the final price is confirmed, and then merchant edit the actual total amount in order, and then customer can make a payment. So this display as estimated price means such like checkout flow can be little changed. So, but in many cases, for example, like pizza, is always have a same price, right? So we will not own, but please use if you have a variable price. Oh, another like possible use case of this estimate pricing is the grocery. Like in many cases, you are selling meat, but meat is not always 1 kg, right? Sometimes 1.2 kg, sometimes like 900 grams. So like, so you cannot do the actual pricing. So in that case, you can use this estimate price, and then once customer place order, then you can say that say to customer, oh, the our this ribeye is actually 1.2 kg, although your pricing is based on 1 kg. So we change this price to this. So this is your final price to pay. So you can use for those like grocery or butcher business for this switch. But today I will not use it. And then we also have a cost per item. Cost per item is invisible to customer. It's only for your analytics, because like you can say that, oh, actually we are selling this pizza at $14, but our cost per item is $10. Then based on this data, we show analytics to you. If you go to this analytics, then you can see that, oh, what is the actual profit from your business you can track based on this cost per item. So like I recommend that you put this information so you can track your revenue and profit easily. Price per unit is quite interesting. I don't recommend you use unless you have a specific case. But like for example, like let's say, oh, this pizza is actually 1+1. Yeah, quantity. So like um, you know the um, um, this this price per unit is something like this, like usually like 1 liter. Let's say it is not pizza, but I can say that like 100 liter. For example, oh, I'm selling Coke, right? But actually, this one Coke item means 100 liter. Yeah. So you can use the in this way. Maybe I can show you as an example. I just put liter and 100 as a price per unit. Then if I go to this page, then you can see this, right? So I'm buying this item, and then my quantity is 3, meaning I'm buying the 300 liter, because one quantity means, one means 100 liter, right? So if I do the 3, meaning 300 liter, and then we multiply 14, so $40, right? So in pizza case, I don't recommend again, but you can do this like pizza. We are selling 3 piece. Then you can do this. Oh yeah, meat pizza. We have a 3 piece, and then we do the 9 piece. Then it's $42. Okay. All right. So this is the price per unit. I will not use it. And then we also have a tax override. Tax override means we have a store-wide tax. Let's say in Singapore, we have a 9% like GST, meaning sales tax. But maybe in the United States, have a different tax per item sometimes. Let's say, oh, this state has a 7%, but for the liquor, we have a 9% tax. In that case, you need to override this tax rate for this specific product, right? So in that case, you can use this tax override. So like in store wise, I think you can change in setting, but if you want to change for this specific product, you can change this here. Oh yeah, tax override is 3%. Okay. And then also have a daily capacity, which is quite interesting function, which is sometimes you have a like kitchen capacity. So you can only make the meat pizza every day 100. That you don't want to sell more than 100 because you don't have an ingredient, for example, or you don't have an employee much. In that case, you can change this specific product daily capacity. Or you have a limited item per day, then you can use this. But one interesting thing is we have a daily capacity, but we also have an inventory. Inventory means now like you have 100 like pizza ingredient, then you can set the inventory, but but this inventory means global inventory, like your warehouse. You're currently in your warehouse, you have 100 of the meat pizza ingredient, but this daily capacity is like every day we have assumption that you have always 100 ingredient in your warehouse or your kitchen, and then every day it is refreshed to the 100 again. You don't need to change the inventory every day to 100, because once you get older, this inventory go to 180 and then 10. In the end of day, it remains only 10, right? Then like next day you fill again all the ingredient, and then you need to change to 100 again, right? But it's tedious. So that's why we introduced the daily capacity, and then this daily capacity is to manage your ingredient or the inventory, like daily inventory more easily. So If you have a such daily capacity, then you can use this option. But now we don't use it. And then here's description. So like this is a nice pizza. And then I can do the decoration as well, not pasta. Like you can do this, some decoration. Then I can save. If I see, then let's check. Then here, this is nice pizza, not pasta. So you can have a little decoration in this description. Okay. Then now also important thing is images, right? Images. You wanna add a pizza images over there. Then let me check one pizza image. Okay. Then what you can do is you just like drag and drop. And then you can add the images. You just click and then you just choose the images. Then that image will go here, and then you can save. Okay. Then let me check again. Refresh. Then voila. Here you can see that meat pizza is $14. Then you can see this image, right? Then you can see also in full screen as well. Okay. So this is the image function, and then of course you can add multiple images. Let me show you. So if you add a multiple image, then you can also do the show the multiple images here, like this. So you can add multiple images, but note that these images require have a quota. So if you are like basic plan, then you can upload up to 20 images as a total in your store. But if you subscribe $19 premium plan, then you can upload unlimited images as you want. So it is because the image hosting, also saving in the server cost money. So like we had to require this premium plan. So this is images. And also you cannot exceed 10 megabyte file size. Yeah. So sometimes your phone is really good, and then sometimes images more than 10 megabyte, then you should resize your images. I have one question here from Jessica. How can save images in download? How can save images in download? If you mean that here, you let's say usually in your browser you can save images by right click and then save images, right? But if your question, yeah, so your picture or images you should prepare yourself because that's your business, right? And then you need to prepare those images, and then you need to drag and drop up to this area, or you can click and then choose that images. But that images you need to download from your phone or some other Google search, or yeah, I think that images you need to prepare yourself. Okay. Oh, I missed one thing. You can change the order by click and drag and drop. So originally it was this pepperoni pizza was the first, right? But if you want to change this order, then you can drag and drop, and then in the end, this first image is changed, right? So and then second image will become the pepperoni pizza. So again, if you want to do, then you change this drag and drop. Okay, this way you can change. Okay, next one is a variant. What I can say is we have a variant and option. Then these two different concepts are to support, let your customer choose like some specification of your product. For example, pizza sometimes has a different variation, right? Sometimes some people want to have a pepperoni pizza. Sometimes people want to have a margarita pizza, right? Those things, like those specifications, you can do with Take App. Maybe I can start with variant. Variant means top level specification, I can say. For example, like this is like vegan pizza, vegan pizza, and then this is $30, and then like cheese pizza, $40. Maybe I can change this one as a just pizza. Okay. And then vegan cheese pizza. So and then you can see that price is different, right? You can the one of the difference between options and variant is you can set the base price of this pizza. I mean this variant price, but options have very limited option to set the pricing. But this variant you can set the pricing easily. And then, okay, let's check this works. So if I refresh, then you can see that here pizza, and then you can see that, oh, here's vegan pizza, and then here's a cheese pizza. So you can choose the one of this variant, right? And then the first variant becomes the price of this. So if you change the sequence to cheese pizza first, then actually I changed the pricing in the behind. Then the $50 pricing, right? So like cheese pizza is the first. So first variant is the representative pricing. Okay. Let me go back to the setting page. And then also another implication of the variant means you can manage the inventory with variant. If you go to the inventory, then now you can change the different inventory level for this pizza. I mean this variant, right? But later I will show you. But options, the option doesn't have any such inventory like implication. Only variant can do this. Okay. And then let me show you options as well. So option, you can say that option is an additional question, like something like, do you need like pepper? And then make required, then save. Let's go back. Then if I refresh, then you can see that we have a variant, right? And then here, do you need pepper? And then if I don't add this one, then this one say error. Select an option. So like, yes. Then you can add to cart, right? If you see, then here, do you need pepper? Yes. So so this is the option. More detailed options here. Yeah, thanks, Jessica. Another question is how can set the variant spice? How can set variant? So like we have a limitation. I think you should make sure that the different level variant. Like sometimes you need to change the ingredient. I mean, track the inventory. or you want to give the customer the first choice, which is a cheese pizza, vegan pizza, then you should choose those like number one level like selection as a variant, and then maybe you can add more options as a like a little not important like specification of this product. So let me show you the more like options level. For example, let me choose another like select maybe just checkbox. So for example, mm, um, spicy level. I mean spice level, and then you can choose the not spicy, spicy, very spicy. Okay, very spicy, require $10. Okay, then you will see that this. Oh, yeah. So actually, the my question was wrong. It should be it is multiple selection, right? So, but we want to let customer choose only one, right? I think my oh sorry, the this is the example, but what I'm saying is that I choose the multiple selection options, but it should be the one selection only, right? So let me change the options again. So this should be not checkbox, it should be the selection, right? I say. And if I refresh, then you will see that, oh, spice level, nice spices, then now only one example, one only option can be selected, right? So, and then maybe I can add on another example here, another option, saying that add on. So like some people in pizza, they want to add many other things, right? So I can say that like olive, $3, additional cheese, $5, $6, and then maybe like like I don't know, meat. And then I save. Let me go here. Then I refresh here. Then you will see that add-ons. Then you can let customer choose the additional things. Then did you see that if I choose olive, then this price, right, originally $50, which is the cheese pizza price. But if I choose olive, then become 53, right? And then if I choose the cheese, then 59, right? And then maybe some people ask that, oh, actually, I want to allow our customer to add a double cheese add-on. So like I choose the only one cheese, but some merchant want to give them option one more cheese, right? Two cheese. He loves cheese. So in that case, I can recommend that you simply add here more cheese, $6, right? Um, in this like workaround, then how this work is, we have a two cheese, right? So someone who want to have an extra cheese, then they can choose the two cheese. Then $12, right? So 50 plus 12 becomes 62. So in this way, you can, it's kind of workaround, but if you want to add like a multiple add-on choose, then just simply add a more selection here. So a customer can choose more options. Okay. Okay. And then if you just do this and then add, then you will see that in the cart, you can see that what is the customer choose is a pizza, variant cheese pizza. And then they answer that pepper, yes, spicy, just spicy, and add on cheese. So in this way, you can let customer choose the very detailed specification. Okay. So this is an option. And then I mentioned here, right, inventory. So people, you can manage the inventory, global inventory, or I mean. You can do. And then I mentioned that here we have also have a daily capacity, which is another daily version of inventory. But this is only product level. We don't support variant level yet. So please note that. And then we have a SKU. SKU is like usually in warehouse, you guys use SKU, right? Like sometimes you want to track some specific product, then you can use SKU. Let's say this one, I say pizza, right? Save. Then I will show you how this SKU works. Then also I will show you the inventory how it works by making the order. Now we have a cheese pizza 3, right? Remember this. So I will go here, refresh. Then I will here, they said cheese pizza only 3 left, right? We automatically show the number of the stock left in this website if the stock left below 5, right? So cheese pizza only 3 left, so they are showing the 3. And then I say add and cart. Then I go to checkout. Then you just go to this like checkout, and then you can see that this $50, this okay, and then you just go next. Then what happened? Because previously we have a stock level 3, right? The cheese pizza. So if I do this next, meaning order is already created, and then to avoid the overselling, we like change the inventory level 2. So in this way, you can track the inventory. But the one thing you remember is, although your order, like number 1 order, right? Number 1 order is created from Calvin, but order status is now pending, right? Actually, you don't know whether this customer will pay the money or not, but we still change the number of the inventory to, I mean, -1 here, right? Because we don't want you to oversell, like, and then people complain to you, right? So although your product is not confirmed, the order is not confirmed, we still making this change. And then maybe one thing is if you go to the order, and then let's say we changing this one to cancel. Sometimes customer cancel, right? Then we cancel. Then they said, oh, inventory tracking is enabled for the item in this order. Okay, this one you don't see. But there's a alert. Let me show you here actually. Let me show you. So this is alert. So like, oh, inventory tracking is enabled for item in this order. When I click cancel button, then would you like to update the inventory quantity as well? And then I say click OK. Then what happened is, wait, where is it? Oh, I click cancel actually. I click, okay, hold on. Check again. Currently inventory level is 1, right? And then I go to the order, and then it currently pending, right? And then I just cancel. And then once the alert comes, then I just say that, oh, update the inventory, okay. Then order become cancel. And then if I go to the product, then DeepSeek 2 because the previously I click OK button. Do you wanna recover inventory because this one canceled? Then this inventory number become 2 from 1. So we are providing you to like manage the inventory conveniently. Yeah, but remember that the implication, like once customer receive order, I mean you receive order, then we secure the inventory for those order, and then until you cancel, the inventory will be hold. Okay. So this is the most of the product. Maybe one more thing about product. Some people question about the category. Here we have a meat, fish, egg, right? But sometimes you want to change this meat category to the end of this, and then you don't want to show main, right? You want to change this category, right? In that case, you have this menu called category. Okay, so here there's a lot of category. And then you want to first thing is you don't want to show this main, right? Um, to do this, you have to go. You click to uh, change sequence, or you can go to design and storefront. So this storefront menu is for managing all this appearance in this storefront. And then you can see here product category, product category, right? So you can see meat product category, fish product category, egg product categories. And then one thing you want to do is you want to bring this meat category in the bottom, right? Then you just do this. You just drag and drop, and then you put this card in the end. Then what happened is your meat is gone in here. We go to the end, right? The next one is you want to hide this main menu, right? In this case, you just find the main product category, and then you find that this I button, click I button. Then what happened? This main category is gone. So if you want to change any like, you know, this storefront related changes, you have to go to this design and storefront. Then you can see all the product category, then other element as well. Okay. So this is category, and then if I go to product and category menu, and then if you go to fish, then you can see that you also change the description of the this category, like a delicious fish. Yeah. And then save. Then what happened here is, if you go to fish, then you can see here, oh, fish, delicious fish, yeah. Then you can like change this like description of category, and then you can also add a product. Let's add a pizza here, and then you can opt to pizza in the first moment, first like place, save. Then if you go to store and then refresh, then what happened? Fish category has pizza in the top, right? So in this way, you can manage the category easily. Okay. And then maybe I can go a little more like deeper functions in product. So if you go to the product menu, then you will see the list of the product. Then here you can see, oh, this is a pizza product, and then pizza is under fish, main, and meat. And then pizza is a SKU. So you can see the like brief information of each product here. Then remember that you can also search, right? And then you can also filter. Like I want to only see the like a fish filter, fish category. Then you will see the only fish. And then also you want to see that I only want to see the visible. And then yeah, then you can choose this filter very well, right? Very easily, right? And then you can also change the sort by like a title, right, or updated. You can do that. And then also you can do download as a CSV file. So sometimes you want to change the, you know, the product in bulk, right? You don't have much time to edit one by one. Go here and change the price, and then do this. Like sometimes it's difficult. So we have two options to bulk edit. One is you download this product, then you can download by CSV, right? And then you open Excel, and then you change, and then you import. You can like import product importing. I mean, you edit the CSV file in Excel, and then you just upload here. Then you can easily edit product. I will skip this one, but maybe I will more focus on bulk edit, which is also another way to edit your product easily. So if you go to bulk edit, then you will see like this, like Excel, like spreadsheet, like UI of your order product. So yeah, here is our pizza we made, right? So it is sometimes difficult to understand, but remember that here is the product, and then here is a variant, right? We have a one product called pizza. We have a two different variant, cheese and vegan pizza, and then like we are like tracking inventory, yeah, and then sometimes you want to change this like quite many inventory. Then here pizza already say that inventory tracking, right? So here that's why disabled. And then you wanna add SKU, let's say pizza, cheese pizza, then pizza, vegan pizza. Then price is too expensive, let's say $20, then 20 $25. And then origin price 25. Okay. And then you can also cost tracking 2020, like $10, $10. Then you can also change description. You can only change here actually, because description is only available in the product level. So you need to change here. Very nice. So I am changing the pizza, but you can change all the other product as well. But let me only choose save. Then let me go to here. You can see the like maybe let me go to the product pizza. Can yeah, description change, right? And then price $20, $25 was $50 before, right? But changed, right? And then we also changed the like inventory level. So so those things are like you can edit in bulk editor. So it's quite convenient if you have a like number of product. So please try. Okay, I think this is most of it. Yeah, I think maybe I can even cover this one as well. Sometimes you want to add like bulk options. Like you can go here and then you can add one by one, but sometimes it's very tedious, right? So you want to add like in bulk. Then what you can do is raspberry, blackberry, strawberry, and then actions. And then I wanna do that. This one is the main, right? And then you can see that this three product become main category, and then if you wanna do these two product at a option, then say that let's say frozen, and then checkbox, no selection. Yes, no. So in this way, you can add bulk options. So if I go to the, the website and then let's say blueberry, not blueberry, strawberry. Um, Strawberry option is not added. Let me check the product. Raspberry. Oh, actually, raspberry. Yeah, raspberry. 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 Oh, yes, right. They are frozen. And then yes or no. This one added from our product bulk action. Okay. And then we can also delete and then also remove from category. Oh, it's my mistake. So let me change this one from the main. Let me change. Yeah. Then main category will be removed. So if you have a number of product, you can like usefully use this work action. Okay. Yeah. Edit. Yeah. Can go to also edit. All right. So this is product, and then let me check the comment. Yeah. Maybe the one thing I can cover in this live is the some design part. So if you go to storefront, then I slightly show you that the how the product category works, but I can show you a little more details about the here design. So sometimes like your website is too like dry, right? You want to add little more content here. Then we offer quite interesting card, I mean element of this website. You already have a product category, but you can also add a link. Let's say like join our WhatsApp group. Um, yeah. So like you can put copy your WhatsApp group link, and then you can add link. Then the people can easily click to join your WhatsApp group, right? And then sometime you wanna add an image. Let's say our amazing pizza. Then you can like you can add your pizza here, right? Then you can say, "Oh, our amazing pizza." So like now your website become more like solid, right? You with the more like fruitful like some element of website. You can add text, video, contact, countdown, and even map. Let's say you can Lafos um, hotel. Oh, this is yeah. So you can. It's not Singapore Raffles Hotel, but anyway, but you can even add the map here. So people, I wanna change this location to under our banner. Then you can change this map location too. So it's much better than before, right? So you can add more like storefront design element. Also, sometimes you want to change the design. Like let's say you have a brand design, then like you can use this one. Let's say this is great like pizza place, right? And then once you save, then you can see that description is here, right? And then primary color. Right now, if you add product, then button is like black color, right? But sometimes you want to change this black color to, let's say your brand color is red. Then you can change the primary color to red, and then background a little bit gray color I want to do, then what happened? You can see that, oh, our primary color become red color, and then our background color becomes a little gray, right? So you can adjust your appearance, like theme colors, easily in here, appearance menu. And then you can also add this join community text, and then link. Yeah, then people can easily click to go to the other website, your website. So if I show you refresh, then you can see that, yeah, the banner color. And then if I click, then google.com will open, and this element is already here. Then if I click, then red color is used to add to cart. So we already made a quite good progress. Yeah. And then last one is the checkout. This checkout is the, if you open this part. So like sometimes you want to like let your customer check out, but you want to get additional information. For example, like something like your location or your email address or like additional information, right? Anything, right? Some customization requests, etc. So let me show you how you can add additional like field in the checkout page. So here, if you go to the design and checkout, here it like a tab checkout, right? And then you just click the show email input. Then now you are receiving the email in here. But in many cases, I know you guys don't use email anymore. So you just turn off, then you will only receive phone number. And then sometimes let's say I don't need a customer name, then you just disable name, then you only receive phone number only. But I recommend that phone number and the customer name, these two are kind of very essential. So I recommend you keep these two. And then you want to show the service, which is like a delivery service. I will not cover this service and delivery setting today. Maybe our next series of the YouTube Live we will do. But you can even add this like service. And then yeah, and then sometimes you want to receive the tip from customer, then you just add the tip. Then people can choose the tip based on your total amount. Also, you have a button, a similar button like Storefront. You can add many other elements. For example, you can ask questions saying that like, do you have an elevator? And then, or like date, what date do you need this? Then people can choose the date from this like checkout process. So I think every business have a different situation and need a different question. So, but what we do is we offer quite different type of the like field. So like even you can offer file upload, let customer upload like upload your custom design. Let's say like some people, very unique person want to have a pizza cake, and then he want to have a like custom pizza cake. Yeah, then like you can let customer upload this custom design file. Then people can like in checkout page, and then people can click and add upload file. But like note that like this upload function and few other fields are required premium plan. So if you try to add this file upload card, but sometimes it's not available because you are not in the premium plan. So to use this file upload card, I recommend that you use the you subscribe to premium plan. Okay. Oh, maybe last one. Sometime you want to add just simple text. Let's say terms of service, blah blah. right? Then like you can add like terms of service. Okay, board. Then like you can let customer easily read about terms of service, and then so you can avoid the complaint with this like text card. So yeah, I think this is most of it. Like I today we covered that the how you can add more product, and also how you can change the design to make this website. Like if I go to like this website we made today, see, then we already covered the category, and then you could add this description in our design, and then you can add this image card, you can add the map card, and then link card, and then this is product catalog you can change, and then in your product catalog you can also change add the variant, and then original price and actual price, and then you can add a SKU, and then you can add additional options, right? And then options have a text type, and then this like selection type, and then multiple choice type. So like you can choose the your preferred options here. And then if you go to the checkout page, then you will see that you wanted to show the terms of service with our checkout design text, like additional field. And then you can also let customer upload the file for customization, and let your customer choose the date, and then you can like also ask any free form questions as well. Then we also added a tip card. So we have a $34, but let's say 10% tip, then tip 10% will be added to the subtotal, and then total is this. Right? Then once you click next, then the order will be created. So I show you. Then you can see that our pizza has this option, and then subtotal was 34, but tip is now 3.4, so total is 37. And then like you can see that custom design question, actually we didn't upload the image file, so it doesn't show anything, but you can see the additional question here. So people, you and also your customer will be in the same page, right? So, oh yeah, you ordered this, then it is already recorded here. So you can avoid the unnecessary the conflict with your like customers, because this is the source of truth. Okay, so this is most of it. I can cover if question we have. Yeah, maybe I can cover like a few questions, like how can change the dollar sign. So now we have a dollar, right? But sometimes you are using the different currency. In this case, you go to settings and then store detail, and then you can change currency here. Let's say I want to change the India ringgit. Not India ringgit. In yeah, in India rupiah, right? And then save. Then you will see that now this different currency sign. So just go to the store setting and then change the currency. Then you can change this like currency sign. Okay. And then yeah, I think this is most of question. I already like answered most of question before. So I think yeah, it's a 1 hour live today, and then it was quite long, but I am very glad to cover like to showcase our all this quite like advanced functions today. Great. All right. Thank you guys. And then we will come back with the other like series of education program. Okay. Bye.